to add event to calendar on Google Pixel 10 Pro, start by opening calendar application, and over here go to the plus in the right bottom corner and select event, task or birthday. Right now add a title. Over here you can change the calendar, so for your or for the family calendar. You can also pick specific date and time, or you can turn on this event for the whole day. And you can set does not repeat, but also we can repeat this one for every week, every day, every month, every year, or for example for the custom time, like for every 2 years. And you can actually find all of those settings right here. Below we can also add people from our contacts. We can add video conferencing, and we can add location. We can also get a reminder the day before at specific time. You can also change it for sure by clicking here, and you can simply click to add notification. So now we can actually set this as a custom. You can change its color in the calendar, and you can add description into this event. By clicking here, we can even attach some Google Drive files. And if you finish, click save in the right upper corner, and that's how the event looks in your calendar. It's just over here. So yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.